Don't say all your
Alright.
hateful comments.
What's up?
I know you guys want to say your hateful comments, but keep it to yourself today.
I hate bad people.
Whoa. We gotta love all people, though.
Wow, there's a lot of
I
bad
also have
people
to,
listening today.
I gotta head
Oh,
out here. I gotta
no.
prepare for my live, but it was nice chilling with you guys.
All right,
Alright,
likewise, I'm probably gonna step off and alternate between their two streams. Have a good day, guys.
Take care.
I got about. Have a good one, guys.
Peace, peace. Boom. Alright. It looks like it's just us now, guys. How
What's up, crew?
intimate.
Oh, the delay.
Oh, do I have delay? Or actually, I don't know. Let me check.
Oh no, I just don't like hearing my voice in a delay. It's like it's just like an OCD thing.
That's fair, that's fair.
So I have you
I mean,
almost
you can hear me.
completely muted on the stream. Yeah.
I mean, you can hear me in call.
Yeah, because if you mute this person's stream, it doesn't count as like a viewer. So you're not really like helping like contribute.
Oh, really? Is that how it works?
Yeah. Yeah, one of my friends is a Twitch streamer and he was explaining that all to me. So
Wow, that's crazy.
like he was like, "Oh yeah, if it's completely muted, it doesn't count as a view." So I would assume YouTube is the same thing.
I did not know that. That's very interesting.
I wonder if it counts as a partial view. That's wild.
Is there such thing as partial view?
I don't know. I wonder if they made
Yeah, I don't
it
know.
because of muting. Yeah. And if you close one eye.
Let's see. I am looking for higher prices. I wonder if it'll play out like that, though. Okay, let's see.
Yeah.
Streaming. Oh, good morning, Aaron. Aaron Burser. Okay, I'm glad no one got that reference.
Yeah, I totally went over my head.
Honestly, I haven't even watched Alexander Hamilton, but I know the songs. Yeah.
Oh, you said Aaron Burr, sir. I
Yeah.
thought you said something else. Oh, I get it.
Thank you, Jake. Thank you, Jake.
I thought you said Aaron Berkser, and I'm like, who is Aaron Berkser?
A new character development. Let's see where we go. This is what I'm looking for. Actually, I want to see if we can continue going higher. Something like that to 90. See if this can go anywhere. Do do do. I'm gonna put some music.
There's that 15-minute true market structure shift from earlier that I'm kind of like looking at the reaction on.
Let's see
From
if
the
it'll hold.
highs.
Ah, I see, I see. The
Yeah.
7 a.m. candle?
The or on the 15-minute chart.
Ah, I see.
So the swing point would have been the 645 candle, and the gap was made by the 615 candle on NQ.
Wait, am I tweaking? Am I looking at a different chart?
On the 15-minute?
Yeah, I'm on the 15-minute.
The swing point inside of the RDRB.
Oh.
For the downs, yeah, that earlier push down.
Okay. Yeah.
I'm just seeing the reaction if it closes back above it.
Okay.
Yeah.
I honestly have not been using RDRBs. Look, I completely forgot about that concept.
Oh. Looking for what? Sorry, I cut you off.
Oh, I just said I completely forgot about RDRBs.
I always use RDRBs and FPGs for true market structure shift.
I just use fair value gaps. I have not used
True.
RDRBs, but that's good. I used to use RDRBs. I don't know what happened. I think my brain went more caveman. I went more simplified.
Yeah, keeping it simple. Yeah, more simple is nice.
Booga booga.
This current candle has no bottom wick, so.
Oh,
Curious
yikes.
on the 15 and the 5.
Oh, that's
Curious.
I took a stab, but I don't like that. I don't like how I understand that bottom wake. I'll keep that in mind.
I know, I was looking, but then, yeah, whenever I see that, I'm like, all right.
I'm just too bullish because they all markets tapped the discount and just reacted like crazy from it. Like took
That's
up
true.
time.
Yeah. A lot of buying the dip.
Yeah. Let me see if it holds. I might just go break even at 9:30 because I just don't like how it does not wake.
Yeah, sorry to say it. I don't
No,
want
you're good.
Otherwise, 'cause you never know when it wants to go back. It could hit the highs and then go back, but
That's true. But the 5-minute is just like a more lower time frame, you know? So I could have it quicker. If that makes sense.
yeah,
That quicker
yeah,
swing,
true.
Like the 15, I can see that taking longer or like hourly or something, but all good.
Let's watch this sucker.
I know there is significance to like if there's no wick and then like a gap, right? Like a void, then that would be very very high probability apparently. But,
Oh, if it creates a gap and a no wick?
yeah,
Oh, cool. I didn't know that adds to it.
Yeah.
That makes sense.
but yeah, I don't know too much about just like a swing point no wick, but we'll see.
Mhm.
I guess we'll see today. We'll learn today. Prem, are we taking this trade? If you're not already in this, or if this is not your model, I would not recommend taking this trade. So no. Unless your model's there, then yes. Yes and no. That's the final answer.
Trading your model is where it's at.
Yes, sir. There's no other way to do it.
There truly isn't.
Yes, sir. I might go for this no wick low though. I can mark it out though.
Yeah.
No wick. Careful. Yeah, now I'm looking for, like, if you haven't already entered on this, then I would wait until 9:30. Like if you don't have a good entry on a move this close to equities open, just chill out. Not a good idea.
Yeah.
Should have a power. EDM might be a little too intense for the morning.
Let's go for it.
And no wig low is like eyeing me down, bro.
I know, for real.
Explain no wick. So basically the idea is, this is my understanding, correct me if I'm wrong guys, but no wick bottom, like the orders come in so quick that it can't even create a wick. Generally it's like buyers and sellers like fighting each other, right? And then it creates a wick. But that means there's like, let's say there's no bottom wick here, there's like so many buyers that it just shoots up without creating a wick, and that means there's like a lot of orders there. And price tends to like to take out orders. Or is that institutions, right? More monies for peoples.
Mm-hmm.
So that's my understanding of it. Right.
The death mark.
Yes, sir. Everyone calls it something a little different.
I have been paying attention to those a lot more in the charts, and it truly, price does like to go back to those areas.
Oh, don't say that, man. I like this long idea.
Well, it could play out the long, but then
I'm
yeah,
playing.
yeah,
Sometimes it doesn't revisit right away.
yeah.
True.
Like look at that one at 3 a.m., 3:15 a.m. On the 15-minute chart. It went up and then it revisited pretty quickly.
Oh yeah.
With that big candle.
Yeah, a huge candle taking it out. Oh, I'm cooked. I didn't know.
No, I don't know, dude. I don't know.
Oh, I didn't know that. So if price drops and creates a wick, and then starts moving up, then you look for an entry. No, I wouldn't trade based off of that.
No,
you just use
I
it
wouldn't
to,
either.
yeah. I just use it as like extra confluence, or like kind of see where a lot of orders reside and where price would probably like magnetize more towards. I wouldn't take an entry off that. So no. Yeah. You can test it out and maybe create like a system for it, but so far, like that I've tested and seen, and other people around me have tested and seen, they don't use it as entry.
Yep.
Maybe Guy does, but I don't.
If it's in the direction of where your take profits are, that's a great confluence.
Yeah.
But then it's always scary, yeah, whenever I take a trade and then there's one down there because you don't know. Just stares you down.
Yeah. If it's against like me, then I don't know, clench up.
This is looking.
It's looking good though.
Yeah.
It's creating that checkpoint order block right now on the 5-minute.
Hopefully we don't speak too soon. 10 seconds till equities open. Let's see what happens. Equities open. 3, 2, 1. Let's get on the 15-minute. I don't know why I'm on the 5-minute.
Yeah, I'm looking at the 15 right now too.
Yeah. No reason to drop so low. Let's see where this can go. Right, bro, might be going for it.
Oh.
Time to wait. It's like it wants to go there, but then order flow is like, no.
I know. It's so interesting watching this 15-minute candle. YM got to it already, but ES and NQ it's still open.
Or we're just stuck in this range today.
Yeah,
Friday.
honestly,
Absolutely Friday.
totally Friday'd.
Alright. It looks like it. It may be true.
See. You wanted it. Well, we'll
We just
see.
wick it out.
Yeah, it could.
I don't see. The thing is, there's not enough SMTs to really boost it up. Just a hit in 1 hour, but that's pretty much it. And it's like barely a hit, and it's not really a sweep.
Yeah.
So it's not really SMTs pushing it higher. It's just premium discount. Which is not great.
Yep.
Just hurry up and take it, bruh.
Those freaking death marks.
All the buyers that created the no wick are like, push!
Yeah.
Pick it up! I'm just gonna take it now. This candle. And bow.
Oh, there it is.
Bing, bing. Bing, 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 bing.
All right, now we'll shoot up. No, I don't know.
Oh, we'll see about that.
Yeah. All right, what is that? Is that creating anything on the lows? Not yet. I guess 1 minute.
That idea got cooked.
Sheesh.
Like and sub. Yes, sir, Stein. How many monitors do you use? I just use 2 monitors. Simple. 00 says, Jake! In all caps.
I think that's Allie, right? What's up, Allie?
Yeah, I think so.
She says, remember this weekend.
Remember this weekend. What's happening this weekend?
Do not vegetables. Ali uses her name, silly. Oh, I can't be then. True.
Yep. Keith said vegetables are overrated.
You heard it here first, guys. Take notes, everybody.
All you need is rice and chicken. Yeah, for real. Rice, chicken.
Oh, shoot.
Yo, it's creating... I mean, it's doing not much, actually.
So it respected that area hard on the 15-minute chart. That's interesting if it could push to the lows, but it could just range, huh?
What would you need to flip your bias? Like to bearish or something? Or to... Because to be honest, right now, I'm still a little more bullish. I don't know if it invalidates the SMTs on the lows, pretty much. The last thing holding is 90-minute cycle SMT. Okay, if it, let's see. At what point would you say bullish is invalid? Pretty much all SMTs on the lows invalidated, right? So we still have the 15-minute on the highs. I want to see if that is taken out. It does seem like it could just continue to go though, but I don't know. It's generating all this buy side too, so we'll have to see. With literally no gas for this one gap. Let me see. I think if it's gonna be bearish though, it's gonna be like bearish because it needs to speed past this. But we'll just wait and see. Pretty boring so far.
Lots of fun.
Hey, at least we caught the no wick.
Hey. We'll have to figure a model out. SMT, target no wick.
Yeah.
Basically.
You could do that. If just fake 5-minute change, 15-minute change of state, I'll probably lean more bearish.
2 minutes to see that. Ugh.
I will say, I don't like how it's moving this slow. Generate all this buy side. If you are looking for a sell.
Yep.
And YM is not doing what you ideally want to. Maybe front running too.
I like that the 15-minute respected that true market structure shift area. If it closes below this candle, that's pretty decent for low prices.
Yeah.
But it is Friday.
It is Friday. You're not wrong. Potential seek and destroy? Very potential, yeah. I can see that. As I was saying like earlier, especially when you see like SMTs almost like taking on both sides. I mean the top side was just a wick SMT too. It's not really a everything's just so uneasy on Fridays.
But
he was your changing state,
That was a-
so I'd lean a
that
bit
was
more
a-
bearish.
Good close, yeah.
Yeah.
Hmm. It's currently around a previous day low, even though it's been hit a couple times.
Looks like NQ wants to fall, but like everything else is like going up. Oh,
Yeah, and there's all this buy side.
I don't know.
Create a
Yes
one
is
SMT. Tap the order block. Hey, maybe YM's just creating the SMT.
It's true. That's kind of nice.
But the fact that there's so much buy side on NQ is nasty. Yeah,
Yeah.
I can see both sides. I just sit out for a bit, or maybe for the rest of the day.
Yeah.
see YM die if we're gonna go bearish.
Yeah,
After it hits the highs.
Yeah,
the 1 minute SMT.
or just wick the highs.
Wait, did it? Oh yeah, it's almost there.
It's almost there.
Might just chill here for a bit until it creates SMT.
Yeah.
ES is holding up a little bit better than NQ.
Maybe it's NQ creating the SMT. On the
All the way
lows.
back up. Oh, on the lows.
Yeah. And then we're just gonna be stuck in this range, ping-ponging. But I do favor a little bit of shorts right now.
Yeah, still favoring shorts, but it's not the prettiest thing.
No, not at all.
That's for sure. Interesting. It's gonna have speed now. Can I get speed? Probably need speed.
Speed it up. Come on, market makers.
There you go. It's breaking the lows. No trade for me. I had an early entry in the long earlier, so I took a stab, but I don't know, down 1R, just chill. And now I'm gonna sit.
That's the name of the game.
Mm-hmm.
Don't be scared to take an L. That's huge.
Gotta be a good loser.
Yep.
1 minute.
Fall, baby, fall.
Yeah, damn.
Low-key, if I was trading how I used to trade, this would have been such a clean trade. Because I used to be like, oh, like look at 15-minute SMT with true market structure shift, and like even if it's from the session before, and then just wait until it revisits the true market structure shift.
Yeah, that's why I was looking at that, honestly.
Yeah.
That's a good one. Same sort of idea, same sort of narrative idea.
Yeah. We were just below Asia and like high time frame. Went into discount before, so I was like seeing if we could reach a bit higher before we dropped, but that was not the case,
True.
which is fine. Just took a stab at
I know that wasn't the case yesterday either. This week's just kind of been like that.
Yeah. It's difficult because if this true market structure shift didn't hold, then you'd expect probably all the markets to just take out previous session high as well.
Totally.
But we'll see. Hindsight always clean. Clean, clean, clean.
My thing I always look at too is I call it thick wick. It's when there's a candle closure and then a candle closure right back. So it kind of creates a wick, but it's two closes.
Wait, what do you mean by that?
Like you see how it respected that area up there in the true market structure shift, but it closed above it and then it reversed and closed right back into the range again. So 915 closed up above it, but then 930 closed below. So it kind of created this thick wick idea.
I see what you mean.
Yeah. So I consider that when I look at SMTs as well. That's still something in my head.
It's because I'm not looking at the RDRB.
A level of respect. Oh no, that RDRB area, yeah. So it closed above that RDRB area, but then it closed down below. So I always like two candle closures.
I see. I was only like with a 7 a.m. true market structure shift, like 7 a.m. gap, 15-minute, like perfectly taps it. Or not perfectly, but 9:30.
Where? The
7 a.m. 15-minute candle, that gap.
Let me see it.
But I'm not sure if it's really considered true market structure shift because it wasn't like fully really respected below before.
Oh no, not that one.
Yeah.
Not that one.
But that was a gap I was looking at.
Oh yeah. It tapped right into it.
Yeah. Nice. It's an anxiety-inducing short, bro.
I know.
Buy side.
Is it really gonna leave the lows?
Create another low and then seek it. If it leaves a low, it's seek and destroy, bro.
It's so you can destroy.
I don't know. Maybe you see those like random PM expansions as well. Like the 6 15 creates this 5-minute on the high. YM.
Dude, is YM gonna create a freaking? It's trying to close above that candle.
Look at this staircase, bro. Staircase up.
Yeah, gross.
still do think it can go a bit lower, but it needs the SMT. That just looks really ugly.
And technically, we got a candle closure with a hidden SMT on the lows. But
Yeah.
yeah. On the 5 minute. What's the 4 hour look like? Oh, the 4 hour looks kind of
Hidden SMT on
interesting.
the lows, right? Yeah. Got stopped out, break even. Oh dang, you entered deep in the short. A break even is not bad, bro. On a Friday, that's a win. I took a -1 arm, man. Just kidding. I mean, not kidding. I did take it, but I don't care. Hit an SMT on the lows, right? Yeah. You can count that, but you have nothing to.
I'm not doing anything off that yet.
I mean, 5 minute, 1 minute, technically, but then you see where the narrative's going. Because what would make it really seek and destroy is like the hidden 5 minute and then 1 minute SMT, and Q brings it higher, and then YM goes lower, creates another SMT on the lows, and it's just like ping ponging,
Yeah.
and that would not be fun. But hey, man, it is what it is.
There's a 10 o'clock orange folder news,
Interesting.
so it might do a quick wick either way.
Just take out the liquidity at the bottom, those wicks, maybe.
Yeah. It'll probably wick up
Oh.
just a smidge and then immediately go back the direction it wants to go.
And that would technically be a 4 hour. This 4 hour closure is technically a true market structure shift, right? But it could just kind of go back against it.
Aaron said Ilya or Charles. Lilia? Ilya? Or Charles? What does that mean?
I don't know.
Like King Charles? Is his name King Charles? That one of the UK? the monarchy
They were
people?
King Charles. I don't know.
Is it? I don't know. Alright, let's see. 1 minute till 10 a.m. news.
Kind of finding support around Asia low, but I wouldn't say support yet, but it's kind of like chilling around there right now.
I think the long idea was okay. It's just because it was below Asia, but then went above Asia, and then continued the higher time frame setup. Or intermediate time frame setup, I guess, 15 minute.
Totally.
But yeah, that happens. I think if I was a bit lower from the displaced or chopped a bit lower from the 6 a.m., I would have been more comfortable in the long. A little bit more space to work with.
Mm-hmm.
Boom.
Well, what did I do?
Boom.
Last off.
Bam. Boom. Nothing happened.
That's kind of good for lower prices if it starts out like, I guess.
Or just wipes out by.
Or yeah.
I think it's good. This might boost YM to create the 5 minute, 90 minute cycle SMT. But it's just so ugly. Like, I'll just constantly be worried about this like buy side being wiped out in like mere seconds. That's why I don't want to take anything else.
Yeah. Damn.
Yeah. Let's see.
Yeesh.
Yeah, there it is. Let's see.
Some wild orange folder news right there.
If this can... Oh, I need to close my door. Give me a second.
Alright.
Alright, cool. Cool.
Alright, now we bullish. No, I don't know.
What more confirmation do I need? I mean, it's just market conditions. When you have setups on both sides, you don't want to take a trade. Like, we're looking at this. It's creating a 5-minute SMT on the highs, but there's a hidden 5-minute SMTs on the lows. There's a hidden 5-minute 1 minute. There's a 15 on the high with the true market structure shift that's respected. There's, like, there's just... And then there's this, like... So if you're going long, you have this true market structure shift, this 15-minute order block, this 15-minute SMT, sequential SMT in your way. If you're going short, you have a 5-minute SMT, 1 minute SMT setup with a bunch of buy-side liquidity as well, right? Or not a bunch, but like 1 minute, just like can sweep higher and take you out, right? So like, when you're that like both ways, you should not take a trade.
Friday.
Because that will destroy you. Unless you have a strategy to trade so you can destroy or chop or something, then like, I mean, go ahead. Or if you don't use SMTs and you have like a setup, right? But with what I'm looking at and what I trade, it looks disgusting.
Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, if it's your plan, man, take it.
They even tapped the 15-minute and didn't.
I want to stab the long into some resistance area, but it's just it's so so both-sided that I still feel very short right now, but I mean both-sided, very both-sided.
But you're so tall, man.
Huh?
Never mind. He said, "I feel so short." I was like,
Yeah. Oh god.
that was bad. Sorry, my apologies.
Aaron Burr, sir.
Aaron Burr, sir. If it closes above this 1 minute order block wick, then I'm curious to see if there's... I'm not interested in any trades still. I'm done for today, but I'm curious if this would just continue to go higher. You'd have to... It
is
to be
interesting.
fat, though.
Because it is respecting Asia low. So it could have just wanted to take it again and then go back up.
Let's see.
Wait, no, I'm wrong. Wait, am I right?
Oh, there it is. I see.
Yeah, Asia low.
Maybe it's a 90-minute gap. Play it safe. Like that. 2.46. But like, that's if it can break out this range too. But there's a lot of...
I just don't.
Honestly, if this goes, I can't lie, I'm gonna be a little bit cheesed.
Yeah.
Because this is the
100%.
exact same idea I was looking for earlier. But I
Yep.
just had to go lower first. So this buy side guy is marked out. Oh my goodness, it's getting wiped out.
Let's see.
All good though. It is what it is.
I mean, I could totally, yeah.
At least I know I can read price.
Yeah, it's just a choppy day.
Yeah, I just made the wrong
In it.
initial choice. It's because of this freaking no wick, bro.
It's that no wick, dude.
I just took one micro. I wanted to trust myself. For a long or a short? Are you talking about your low risk short you took earlier? I mean, if you were to get into this, like the idea I'm looking at, it'd be kind of a fat stop loss. So you can probably just do one micro if you're on a 50K account.
Oh, he did it. Ethan went for it.
Even took it?
Yeah.
The long? Yes, sir.
I know that true market structure shift. It was interesting. Went down on the lows again.
Okay, okay. Tap the discount again. Again.
Damn.
Who would want to see some sort of speed and not create sell side again?
Yeah.
And if you have a gap width through the 5-minute, 90-minute cycle high, that'd be nice. Then you'd be very comfortable. And if not, you're gonna be very uncomfortable. There's a long also a bit worried about the no wick 1 micro. The no there is a wick, don't worry. If you zoom in close enough, the 5-minute, there's a wick. Make sure to zoom in real close. Because like this 15-minute candle we're looking at, even if you zoom in very close, there's literally no wick. I made that mistake last time actually, Stan, where I thought there was no wick. Like it just looks like it, but then when you zoom in, there's a little nub.
Yep. And it makes the world of a difference.
Yes, sir. So make sure you zoom in a little on that. If we get speed, I'll just go break even immediately. I'm not super confident. Okay, yeah, that's fine. If it's a part of your plan. If it's a part of your plan. I can't lie, this hurts a little, but it's okay. Whew.
Yeah.
Deep breaths.
I know. Deep breaths. It's
Man, I wanted to
all
click that button
good.
so hard.
yeah.
All good, all good. It's generating some side, but I'm still like more bullish now. Oh wait, let me see the 15. Let's see how this 15 closes. Because now we have a double A theory 15-minute SMT on the highs.
That's true.
So
We gotta wait for the close though.
yeah, that's why like this needs speed. If this doesn't have speed, I think we're actually chopping. Not gonna lie, but we'll see. Okay, on the south side too. Feels very choppable. Nice. That's good. We might see some speed here. Nope. 2 break-even trades up $3 on 12 accounts, or $12 on 3 accounts. Hey man, if you think about it, at $40, bro, you can freaking get a lot of McChickens. That's pretty solid.
And
You gotta
chickens are
take those
expensive now.
Oh, that's true. Yeah, honestly, it's not even that cheap. You
You
can't
gotta
actually
take
get.
those veggies off the McChicken though.
Oh yeah, just chicken.
Oh yeah. Yeah, no lettuce.
Yeah, no nothing.
It's bad for you.
Yeah, good decision, Aaron. Same with me. I'm just like decision fatigued, and like just looking at like how.
Yeah.
Sorry.
No, keep going.
Oh, okay, I was just like seeing how like in my head you just keep battling and trying to justify each side, like both sides back and forth. It's fairly tiring, so it's not worth pushing it. What did you say, Jake?
I feel the exact same way. The decision fatigue. It's just like I don't care to be a part of this one, and it's Friday.
Yeah, enjoy
Almost.
the weekend, guys.
Yeah.
I'm
Almost
definitely
10:30.
enjoying mine. My parents came back to visit, so because visiting for my baptism and
Nice.
also my graduation, so
Oh
we
heck yeah!
left same time pretty much. Yeah, so very exciting.
Oh,
Awesome.
look at that.
All right, Aaron, I know you see this. Calm and collected, brother. Just kidding. I feel like I'm losing my mind because this is exactly what I want to take.
I know.
So I feel you guys. If you guys wanted to get in this, I gotta stop break even on this. But it's all
Yeah.
good. It's part of the game. The reality of trading, guys. Let's see. So now, if you're still long, speed past 3 size, preferably anchor the gap. It needs to absolutely cook this 5-minute SMT, fry it up. And if it does, that's about where the 15-minute SMT is as well. And then you can look for higher prices. Higher prices, so go there, go to 5-minute, about the same area. So that's what you want to see. I took trades on both sides. I don't want to lose my mind. These days you blow your... Yeah, exactly. Capital preservation, man. For sure, for sure. I think that it sounds... Actually, no. I think it shows improvement, but these top 7 accounts I've had are like the longest I've ever had top 7 accounts for.
Dude, awesome.
Yeah, it's been like... Now it's going on to 3 months.
That's huge. All right, and you're risking 500 on them?
No. I risk 500 on TFT.
I was like, what? No.
That'd be insane. I risk 150 per trade.
Oh, that's
Yeah.
awesome. I was thinking
2 trades
about
a day.
decreasing my risk on a funded.
Yeah, to me, I wouldn't go lower than like 100, like 100, 150.
Yeah.
It's just, I don't know, the point doesn't... I mean, you can make quite a bit. Like, I used, when I was deep drawdown, I had like $300 left or $400 left. I'd risk $100, like just like 1 micro, and you can make like $400 from it, right? Like just 4R,
Yeah.
3-4R, and
Yeah.
it brings you back. Right? And then from that, you have another 4 tries.
Right. That's the best way. Like, you just want to stay alive. And that's where the money tweaks you out, because you're like, oh, I just want to make $100, but then it's like, nah, just be able to stay alive and then grow your accounts. That's what That's how I blew my account. I was bummed because I was
Yeah.
thinking about the money.
Yeah, it's hard not to. It's really hard not to.
Yeah. But I think it's more crucial to not be scared to try. I think that's the hard part. Is like we're always scared if we're gonna lose, but if you have enough leeway to be able to lose, then that's awesome.
Exactly. So 15-minute doubling theory SMT is formed, but at this point, like, it's either bouncing or like it's gonna break out. But I don't. I still see both sides. So I don't want to touch a thing. I have issues with that with the last 1 or 2 trades before I get funded. It gets two in your head, right?
Yep.
For me, like it's
Feel that.
yeah. You have to. Sometimes you gotta have a little bit of grace for yourself, but sometimes you can't as well, right? So like I think, for me, as long as I'm improving, like sometimes I still blow accounts. Recently, have not, which I'm really happy about. It's another step in growth, but I'm not like I'm not making like tons of profit or anything, right? But that's already like huge improvement in consistency, and that's all I care about right now. I full poured a month ago and still think about it and shake my head. Oh yeah, bro. Like honestly, for me, the best way to describe it, I'm not sure if like the same for you guys, is like when you're on like tilt or over trade or like over leverage, you kind of black out a little
Yeah.
bit. You kind of black out, and then you look back and you're like, oh wow, I'm an idiot. But the key is catching yourself before you black out, and also creating conditions where you can't mess up, right? Like if you feel like you have no sleep or something, then you just hop off the charts, right?
Mm-hmm.
Preemptively figure it out. Mm-mm-mm.
I don't like how it's going sideways right there.
You know, it's
Sideways
back in
as
that
in
area.
Now it's making me feel like, oh, it might dip a little bit.
It's
This
back
is,
in that area of resistance, or like the true market structure shift on the 15. It's back in that area and respecting it. It needs to get past that area. But now that doubling theory SMT on the high, or doubling aspect SMT on the highs could just solidify the down move right now.
as Keith would say, it's a trap.
It's a trap. Kind of feel that, honestly.
I don't know, like how this is like kind of slow bleeding down right now. All of a sudden, there's just no momentum.
Yep.
I should get a quiet keyboard. Oh my goodness.
No, it's good.
You just have to adjust your noise sensitivity on Discord.
Oh, let's see.
So the noise suppression. Yeah,
Automatic
it's a
noise.
setting.
Voice. I'm just like automatic determine input sensitivity, but I don't think that's it, right?
If you, not even in settings, but if you go to where it, like on the bottom left, the like controls, there's those little bars next to like the phone that's disconnect.
Oh,
It
I
says noise
see.
suppression.
How's this sound
Is
now?
noise suppression on?
Okay, now it's on.
Was
Oh.
it not?
No.
Oh,
there
yeah.
you go.
Start
There you go.
typing.
Okay. Oh,
Yeah,
it
I
doesn't
don't
pick
hear
it up.
anything.
Yo.
I don't hear it at all. Yo.
Okay, lit.
Yeah, Discord's pretty good with that. It's wild. But every time my wife would talk, it wouldn't pick. It doesn't like women voices.
Oh, that's crazy. Yo,
Hey,
shoot. Sue
That's
him, bro.
Texas, bro. Man, it's just come on, just push.
Yeah, I think it'll take the highs, but I don't know if it'll.
So no suppression for. I had like 4 losses. Then I thought I saw A plus over, so I over leveraged, and it happened so fast I shocked myself. Definitely a blackout moment. Yeah.
Yeah.
Remember, even A plus setups, if you're like 90% or 80% win rate like on that setup, and it's an A plus, there's still a 20% chance you lose.
Mhm.
Right. And maybe even a little higher, because in those moments where you're more vulnerable, sometimes we make up things in our mind to like justify a trade, right? So it might not even be like
Yep.
full model, full narrative, full context, right?
I honestly don't even care if this plays out. I might just dip.
Yeah. Think about just going to the gym.
Yeah, I want to do that too.
Even if this
Finish
plays out, I
mine
don't think it'll give me an
early.
entry.
Yeah. Same here. I actually want to go to the gym as well. Be nice.
It's almost 10:30. And it's respecting this area, maybe.
Yeah, it's just not. Man, it's just messing around over there. It's that those old breaker order blocks holding things up.
Yeah, I'm not a chop trader.
Yeah, I think that's it for me. It's probably gonna go higher, but it's probably gonna be a slow grind up. There's just no momentum.
Yeah, I'm like looking.
How do I do noise suppression on? I have to fix my stream audio at some point. My Discord audio probably sounds better than my stream audio.
Oh yeah, because it doesn't have the noise suppression on the stream. I wonder if there's like an app you can get that does like a similar thing to Discord for noise suppression.
Are you using OBS?
Yeah, or Streamlabs OBS, like Streamlabs desktop.
Yeah. I wonder if there's no stream suppression on OBS. You'll probably have to play with settings.
Yeah, I think there's external thing like third party you can, but I'm not sure if you have to pay. I don't really want to pay.
Right.
Yeah, I'm gonna get off at like 10:30 maybe. Just see.
I'm with you.
Sorry, sir.
There's some open source project that does noise suppression. So you can nerd out and run it on your local machine.
Okay. Wait, can you send me? Is there a link or something?
Yeah. Yeah. This is just from a quick Google search. I'll still keep looking.
Oh, let's see. Reddit, let's see if I get a virus.
But it's a GitHub noise suppression for voice, so you'd have to like know how to run it.
Oh. I'll figure it out. I'll use some AI to teach me.
Totally. I mean, totally could.
I'll be right back.
Could,
Let me go to the bathroom.
All right.
Man, can't get rid of this cough. God.
Are you feeling sick?
No, I haven't really felt sick this whole past like almost 2 weeks. I've had this cough. I don't know if it's allergies, but I've never had allergies affect me like this.
Hmm.
Maybe it's just a new symptom of being old.
There was something that happened to me that I like got a new allergy in like my 20s, and then it went away in my 30s.
No, yeah, I mean, I kind of had something similar. Like I'm allergic to watermelon now, but I used to not be like that.
That's yeah. Did it like did it make your mouth itchy or something?
Like it would make my throat really dry, and I just can't talk for like several hours.
Oh wow.
Yeah. So now but I love watermelon though. So it makes me sad.
Yeah, that is. But now you're good?
No, it's still an issue.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Summers are never the same.
Yeah. I mean, my wife keeps saying it's just allergies because I don't feel sick. But I've just never had like this symptom before.
I wonder, do you have like cedar trees near you? I wonder if there's like, I heard something with that before. Cedar pollen.
No, I don't think so. I live in the city.
Hmm. No. It's probably because you're eating vegetables, dude.
Alrighty.
I knew it. It's those vegetables.
I'm back.
We'll have to ask Keith about the allergy thing. He'll probably know something.
Looks like allergy. He's gonna say allergies aren't real.
All right, we're getting a closure above that area that I was looking at. In 30 seconds. Oh, maybe not.
A 15-minute tremor shift respected again, or that gap I was looking at.
And then it's creating a new 5-minute on the highs. Potentially.
Alright, I think I'm gonna hop off. I'm gonna end stream first though, real quick. Later, everyone on stream. I'll see you guys on. Let me check Forex Factory real quick. Wow, next week seems to be packed full of some stuff. see you guys next week, Monday, 9:15 a.m. You know, same thing, as always. Peace.